In this video, I'm going to show you how to stream Google Chrome on Discord step by step, so you can easily share a website, a video, or anything open in Chrome with your friends, your community, or your Discord call. This is a really useful trick if you want to watch something together, present a web page, or quickly show what's on your browser without needing any extra software. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Discord and tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu, whichever is easiest for you. Once Chrome is open, go to the website, video, or page that you want to stream on Discord. This part is important because whatever is open in Chrome is what you're going to share with everyone else. So before moving on, make sure the page is loaded properly and the Chrome window stays open. Now that Chrome is ready, open Discord on your PC. If you aren't signed in yet, go ahead and log into your Discord account first. Once you're inside Discord, open the server where you want to stream from or start a private call if that's what you prefer. You need to be inside a voice channel or a call for screen sharing to work, so make sure you're connected before trying to stream. Next, join a voice channel in your Discord server. You can also join a private voice call if you're just sharing with one person. This is a key step because Discord doesn't let you screen share from the main app window alone. You have to be actively inside a call or voice channel for the stream option to appear. Once you're connected, look toward the bottom left corner of Discord. There you'll see the share your screen icon. Click that icon to open the screen sharing menu. Discord will now give you a few different options for what you want to stream. Since your goal is to stream Google Chrome, you may think about selecting the app window directly, but in many cases, the easiest method is to select your entire screen first, especially if Chrome doesn't appear the way you expect. This gives you a simple, reliable way to make sure everyone can see what you want them to see. After the screen sharing menu opens, select the screen that has Google Chrome open on it. If Chrome is on your main display, choose that screen. If you're using multiple monitors, double check that you select the correct one so you don't accidentally stream the wrong display. Once you've selected the screen, click Share. Discord will begin preparing the stream, and after a moment, your content should go live for the people in your call or voice channel. At this point, Chrome is now streaming on Discord. You can switch to your video, website, or page in Chrome, and everyone in the call should be able to view it in real time. If the stream doesn't start right away, give it a second and make sure your internet connection is stable. Also, confirm that Discord has permission to capture your screen if your system asks for access. One quick tip. If you want the best viewing experience, try closing extra tabs and keeping only the page you actually want to show. That helps reduce distractions and keeps the stream cleaner for everyone watching. And if you're sharing a video, remember that audio settings can vary depending on your device and Discord setup, so you may need to check whether sound is being shared as well. So just to recap, the process is simple. Open Google Chrome, open Discord, join a voice channel or call, click Share your screen, select the screen with Chrome, and click Share to start streaming. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials on Discord, Chrome, and other easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.